How to register for Scotia banking account online. So first what you want to do is you want to head to the App Store or the Play Store. Then go ahead and download the Scotiabank application. Once that is done, let's head over to the app. Now that you are on this page, you want to click on Sign In. On the bottom of the sign up page, you can see New to Online Banking. Go ahead and click on Activate Now. That is directly going to take you to your account setup. From here, you want to select your account type. You have the options of a debit card, credit card, investment, line of credit, and a lot more. I have selected debit card. Now what you have to do is you have to type in your number, then click on Continue. You will then have to verify your identity, probably through social security number. Then you might have to verify a last few transaction that was done via your card. After that is done, you will receive a one-time verification code. Then you would have to fill in a few details about yourself before you verify your account. Finally, all you have to do is set a username and a PIN for your account, and you would have successfully registered for your Scotiabank account. Hope I was able to help you out. Thank you for watching.